What's up, YouTube? Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, this video gonna be about how you can make 10K a month with a box truck. I promise it's gonna be easier than you think. I just did my last video on the car dealer. That was easy, but guess what? You could do local delivery moving for your local like couch companies around in your neighborhood. Let's just say a Schul's or someone like that. Stop by the dock, see if they need any extra help. They're always hiring. Believe me, they will hire you. You can ask the food places around you. If you live near a place that got a bunch of warehouses, your local warehouses, believe me, they always need help. They always need some extra. You just never know. There's special niches in this game would be your junk removal. One of them, mobile advertising. As you can see, what if I put somebody advertisement right there or right there and charge them every time I'm going, or at least charge them once a week, once a month, just putting their logos on my truck. Put it all over the truck, bro. Why not? Ain't nothing else up there. You could do event rentals for parties. There's always a party going on and they need equipment moved. They need your truck. They need you to do it. They can handle the rest. It's just you with the truck is always going to make money. You just got to figure out what you can maximize and do good. Try to do all of them if you can. Why not?